Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks Part 2. Didn't really need to make it, but I mentioned that other video about you could copy this interactive fill tool even more, and we can even delete these. Other parts, we don't need them. And on this one, we're going to move the rotation to the center of the page. That's why I like working the center of the page. And we can actually go to edit and clone it first, and then rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now these are all clones, so now we can change them, but I was going to show you what it's going to look like on black. It really makes it stand out. But by cloning it, we can click on this one, go back to the interactive fill tool, and now you can see we could change the darkness to different places and get a total different look on doing it all at the same time, because we're using this as a clone. These other four are not clones, they are copied, or they're clones. The other one is the master clone. If we take off this and we go right here, this is our control curve, where this is a clone curve. But anyway, that wasn't really worthy of a video, so I thought, I make a lot of interactive interlocking rings, and I just thought I'd show you, if you haven't seen this before. Make a rectangle, hold down the shift, and grab the blue, and then go to intersect, and then let's move that over. And then you could take that box away. You could go here, order back a page, but then you could move this one back over, and it looks like that it's going underneath there. So then you would do one more on this side, and it kind of does both of them at the same time. I could have left my square, but this time we're going to grab the shift with this, and then shift this color one, go up to intersect, go right here. Let's just get rid of the box. Now let's put this, I might be messing up, put this in the order back a page. No, that's going to mess up that other one. What was I thinking? I know what I need to do. I actually need to, let's just, well, I'm just going to continue. Let's see if this doesn't work. No, I need that blue. So what I can do for a second is nudge this one out of the way and shift select that one and that one, intersect it, then there we go, and then take that part out, and then move this back, and then move this, take away the outline on it and move it over, and then go up to object, order front of page. So it looks like you only had to do two, but all four of them are working, because now this one is going underneath, over, underneath, over. But somebody just was asking a question about leaving the spaces. I really don't know why, but maybe in this case, they're going to do something like this. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.